Hi everyone, I'm here this morning, or I guess it's afternoon now. I'm here this afternoon to share with you a swap I did in Polly's Pretties Facebook group. It was for holiday wishes, and it was you made 3 wishes, and mine were kind of difficult to fill, so I had indicated to whoever ended up being my swap partner to give me whatever they had. So I am swapping with Tam, and she's from West Virginia, and she has a website apparently, Tam Chellie, CHELLIE .LE-VEL.com. It's Tam's Labels and Things. So if you're interested, you can look it up, and she did tell me she'd probably give me some of those. So let's see what I got. I have opened it, but I haven't looked in. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I had asked, my specific requests were, oh gosh, white fun foam, pastel mini bows, which I see she sent me some of. Thank you, Tam. And pastel small flowers. Those were the only things I asked for, but then, like I said, I put a comment under that anything would be fine because I have so much of everything. That's all. So these are really pretty. I love the mint and the light pink, and I love this color. This is my favorite color in a dahlia. That's what started me with dahlia jewelry. So yeah, anyway, that color. So here are some of her stickers that she makes. This is really cute. It's an angel in Christmas colors, though. It says Merry Christmas, and it also says Peace on Earth, which the angel is holding. I love that. I love angels. This one says Let It Snow. Aren't these cute? These can go on the back of Christmas cards or in your planners. Oh, and look at the cute owl. So cute. Love the little snowmen and everything. A whole family of them. Really pretty. Thank you, Tam. Oh, she made me other bows. These are Christmas ones. So cute. And then there's some tags here. Let It Snow with lots of glitter. Can you see the glitter? Sparkle. And a snowman. So cute. And then this snowflake. So cute. And then here are some snowflake die cuts. Oh, they're like cupcake picks. Aren't they cute? Oh, those are really cool. Thank you. And then she did give me some flowers. These are like foamy ones, but they're mostly in pastels. Yellow's fine, yellowy orange. Thank you so much for the flowers. I will definitely use those. Definitely, I love flowers. And then we have some die cut or punched ones. Looks like die cut. Oh gosh. We have some green, and these have this paper has a texture. It's double-sided. And these, and they have a little hole that punches out of the middle, or is at least indented, where you could put bling. There's like a couple 5-petal ones. Very nice. Thank you so much, Tam. I really appreciate it, and I also hope you are starting to feel better. I know she's been ill the past week. I haven't been physically ill, but definitely been emotionally ill over this whole YouTube mess, and I can't even go there now. Because I thought it was getting better, and now I read something today, and now I'm not so sure again. I'm like on a yo-yo, up, down, right? So thank you very much, Tam, or Cam, I guess it's Tam, because that's what it says on your envelope, and that's what I wrote too, what I do with the bows. So very nice. I appreciate it. I'm going to leave these out because I'm going to take a picture and post it on Facebook as well. So I appreciate you swapping with me, and thank you, Polly, for hosting the swap. I didn't sign up for some of the other ones they had because I'm just, well, right now I kind of lost my mojo, but also life between now and the end of the year is going to get extremely busy for me. So after this week. I don't know how much crafting I'll do other than my obligations in December for collabs and things. So thank you all so much for watching. Sorry for the glare. I hope you all have a wonderful week and a wonderful Thanksgiving. I will be back on Sunday with 2 collabs. And I thought we were supposed to have one today, but I wasn't ready for it, and I didn't see anybody else post, so I may be mistaken. It may be next week. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.